Industry Hall of Fame to honor and preserve the contributions of those exceptional individuals who have served the green industry. With continued support from Irrigator Tech, raising the skill, competency, and quality of the landscape and irrigation professional through practical, hands-on education, training, and services. More information at irrigatortech.com.
Following graduation from Cornell University with a horticultural degree, Gottlieb started his career in 1968. He is known as the person behind the company and products brought to the marketplace. In his horticultural marketing and business development, he specializes in the lawn and garden industry with the likes of Shem Nurseries, now Site 1, B.G. Pratt Company, Lambert Peat, Western Peat Moss, now Sungrow, Smart Pots. Just getting warmed up in the industry, he answered his call of duty and went to the United States Army. Upon returning, Gottlieb started his company 35 years ago and is still a leader in his field.